Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. Today we are going to start with our unit number 2 of your textbook, that is patriotism. And before we start our reading of the text, it will be appropriate to brief you about the patriotism. Patriotism is uh, love for one's country, and the writer here wants to enhance and highlight the meaning of patriotism. The theme in the text is related to the feelings of patriotism regarding our own motherland, Pakistan. And here we will also learn the use of dictionary and identify the different kinds of sentences that have been used by the writer, and we will also be learning the contextual meanings of the words. We have also been doing in our first unit the difference um, between contextual and textual meanings or words. So before we uh, move to the reading of the text, let's know uh, what is, in your opinion, uh, about what is your opinion about patriotism, and who is likely to be a patriot. Can you give some examples of patriotism, and what are the qualities of the patriot according to your perception or understanding you previously know? Well, students, the text on page number 13 regarding to patriotism tells um, in first para regarding the meaning of patriotism, and you have been given some details regarding the feelings of patriotism and the background of the word patriotism, about its origin. Second paragraph tells us patriotism uh, patriotism and its impact on the people. In third paragraph, we have given some uh, example regarding Qaid-e-Azam's view about patriotism. In paragraph 4, the need or the uh, function of patriotism has been highlighted in, and we have been told about the sacrifices of many uh, brave people, both from the civil and the military um, background, the people who have sacrificed their lives for the protection of the motherland. On page 14, it is paragraph 5. Then the value and the worth of patriotism has been highlighted uh, in the quotation, in the light of the quotation by S.W. Scott.